What the wagon buyer has always needed, he has got. Room, reliability, dependability. But we think the wagon buyer wanted even more. And this is it. Now there's a new kind of wagon. Holden Commodore Wagon. Sleek, trim, compact outside. Of course, Commodore Genius gives it the largest rear carrying space of any Holden wagon. But there's more. With radial tuned suspension, it's a revelation in wagon handling. This wagon has full Commodore equipment at hand and rides comfortably. Commodore smooth and quiet. All because this wagon is more than a wagon. It's a Commodore. Commodore and Commodore SL Wagon are at your Holden dealers now.
This is it.